Yeah, what's up guys? Tech Minter here today. Today I got a comparison of OnePlus 70 and Umidigi X. If you look at these devices, they both made in China, but I think one has a good reputation than the other. I think the OnePlus is considered to be like a brand, like one of the top brand phone in the market nowadays than the Umidigi X. The good thing is they both have a 48 megapixel camera sensor, and that is why I want to do the photo and video comparison. On the OnePlus is 550 pounds if you're wondering how much it costs, while the Umidigi X is less than 200 pounds, probably less than 150 pounds. So what I'm thinking is I need to see that margin, the difference of that money, the OnePlus. If the OnePlus, I have the feeling that the OnePlus will win, but I don't think the Umidigi will be performing very badly either. So I think even though the OnePlus is going to win, I'm not going to be that impressed unless there's some magic that's going to run on the OnePlus. We are yet to see what's going to be like anyway, because the difference of 350 pounds is a lot of money. So I want to see that difference. If the OnePlus is going to beat the Umidigi, then he has to what the price, 550 versus 150 pounds or less than 150 pounds even, so we need to see. As we all know, phone is not just about camera sensor, but I think most manufacturers these days are selling their phones based on picture quality and camera sensor quality. There's nothing more in mobile phone industry today to upgrade, nothing more. All phones will take good pictures, but most of them are concentrating on the camera aspect only. So that's why I want to compare these devices, OnePlus 70 versus the Umidigi X camera comparison. Alright guys, here's the video on both devices, as you can see, and then the one that looks close to me, close to nature, is on the OnePlus 70. They both reproduces different color reproduction on the screen. I'm not sure if I put this on the computer, maybe it will be different. Sometimes phone screens are not always true, especially when you have these cheap phone brands, so I'm not really sure about that, but the OnePlus 70 looks close to what I'm seeing in real life, while the Umidigi is way off the color. For night mode, the aperture for night mode on the OnePlus 70 is f.16, while the Umidigi is f.18. So that means the OnePlus 70 is gonna be better than the Umidigi when taking low light photography. So I'm just walking around. As you all know, the Umidigi doesn't have optical image stabilization, but it's got electronic image stabilization. So all I just want to do, walk around, pan around a little bit, see how both devices does handle filming. If you're walking, I've seen the Umidigi on the computer. The electronic image stabilization is not that bad, to be honest. I think it's the first time I would rate electronic image stabilization, the EIS. That's the first time I would rate it on a mobile device, because it's not that very bad. That it wasn't that shaky. I thought it would be bad, but it wasn't that bad. But the OnePlus, I don't think I would be worried about that, because a 550 pounds phone should have at least optical image stabilization regardless, So here is another scenery. As you can see, they both reproduces different images too. The trees, the floors, and the flowers, they all look different to me on both devices. Maybe it's what I'm seeing right now, I don't know. Maybe if I put this on the computer, we'll get to see what it looks like. For example, this is yellow, so let's see. Yeah, the OnePlus maintained that yellow color, but the Umidigi, for some reason, is off the color. It's really off. Putting some dotted line on it. It's not the angle, guys. Even if I move away from that, it's not the angle. You can see for yourself. I'm not sure if I put this on the computer, maybe I will get a different thing, but I doubt it. I believe this is what I'm going to be getting on the computer, So there's no much stuff here, but it's just about color variations, as you can see. To be honest, I had an update with the Umidigi a few days ago, and I'm beginning to wonder if the update have messed up the camera. To be honest, I don't know, or maybe it's fixed something. Because when I did the first camera review, I didn't get this kind of image, but now I'm getting some funny image on the Umidigi X. Maybe it's just me, maybe I haven't touched any settings, nothing. I've not done nothing to the phone, so probably it's just how the phone is, you know. So I'm getting some funny lines on the phone, you know, like a square-ish line. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I can see it. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into the pictures taken on both devices. So now that you guys have watched the video, and you will agree with me, even though the OnePlus seems to be a little bit, just by a little bit, maybe by 1 or 2% better than the Umidigi, I still prefer the Umidigi when it comes to price comparison, to be honest, because not everybody can afford a £550 phone. But if you can afford a £150 phone, and if you have the Umidigi, you should be happy with the picture quality. You know, I always say this, you get what you paid for. But with the case of the Umidigi, I think you gain more than what you pay for. I've reviewed lots of Chinese devices in the past, you know, even cost more than £150, but they never deliver this kind of quality. So I believe this Umidigi X is a good deal on the long run. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching my video as usual. I do appreciate your time, and I will see you guys when I make a new video. Bye and God bless.